Let's first take a quick look at the causes. After knowing the potential causes, it is time to fix that. When the motherboard and CPU become excessively hot, it can lead to computer freezing issues and potentially shorten the lifespan of the PC. If you are using the laptop, it's better to put it on a cooler stand. For PCs, you can open the computer chassis while it is in use. System files are automatically generated during the installation of Windows, and they maintain the stability of the PC system. If these files become damaged, it can lead to frequent crashes of the computer. Open the command prompt as administrator. Type sfc/scannow and press enter to check the health condition of the system files. If Windows cannot fix the damaged files, you can repair the system files with the dism tool. Input dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, and then press enter. Updating drivers is essential when fixing games that keep crashing Windows 11 due to compatibility issues, bug fixes, and performance enhancements. Right-click on Windows and click Device Manager. Then, click on Disk Drives in the new window. Right-click the target drive and click Update Driver. Then select an approach to search for drivers. When your disk space is running low, there may not be enough room for the game files to be stored and accessed. If you're faced with limited disk space and need to extend it safely and easily, AOME Partition Assistant Professional offers an effective solution. Next, I'm going to show you how to extend C drive with it. If you find it useful, please download it in the description. Run the software. Right-click the D drive and choose Allocate Free Space. In the new window, you can specify the space size and target partition. If it's C drive, you need to select C drive from the given list, and click OK. Now you can preview that the C drive has been extended. Then, click Apply to save the changes. AOME Partition Assistant is a powerful and versatile tool compatible with Windows 11 10 8.187 Vista and XP. It is integrated with multiple functions for disk management. Thanks for watching till here. I'll see you in the next 2 videos. And don't forget to subscribe to us. If you have any questions or issues, please leave comments or email us.